Sounds like a plan. So we're talking about the planets of the solar system, and I was telling someone that we used to have Pluto. That's how old I am. Pluto was a planet when I was young. So my very educated mother just served us nice potatoes. That's what my mother taught me growing up, and today our class has renamed it because Pluto got disqualified. But remember, just because we removed Pluto doesn't mean we don't care about Pluto. We gave it a new prototype. So no, in Nigeria, your parents reinforce your learning beyond your school. So you go to school, but then you get extra, right? You always do an extra. Nigeria is in West Africa. So we'll talk about Nigeria in more detail. So this is Mercury, Venus, Earth, right? This is us. So we use a mnemonic or an acronym to remember different things. So this one, my very educated mother just served us nachos, which is a very good point someone made. That tells us the 8 planets in our solar system. So Mercury is closest to the sun. Venus is hotter than Mercury. That's a puzzle for another day. Earth is where we live. Mars is where Elon Musk is trying to go to. And that's a question you should research at home. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury? There's some, you're thinking like a scientist. So Mars is where Elon Musk is trying to go to. But as he's trying to go there, or trying to make it so people can go there, the research he's doing helps a little bit with some of our discoveries, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not going to Mars, okay? Except I can come back the next day. But that's not happening because Mars is far away. So, well, there's a whole movement. There's a person trying to do that. And then Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn has the rings. Let me just make a comment about that. We didn't know the rings of Saturn's composition until a man by the name of James Clerk Maxwell, the Scottish mathematical physicist, actually discovered the contents of the rings of Saturn. He was right. We sent a device out to space, and we've confirmed that he was right. So we'll come back to this story later about Saturn. Uranus and Neptune. These are the planets in the solar system. You guys should all plan to know these next time we meet. And I'm going to stop for now, and then we'll discuss more of the planets.